Howdy. We're at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, our second animal shelter, our brand new one just opened 6 months ago, located at the corner of Lorton and Workhouse Road. It's a fantastic, beautiful facility for our furry friends. And we've got a bunch of them behind us, and they're equally excited about our 7th annual Ides of Bark Dog Festival. It's going to be at Grist Mill Park, the Fairfax County Park, on March 24th. It's a great time to come and bring your furry friends from 1 to 4 o'clock. We're going to have tons of folks there, not only vendors, but also other furry friends, and it's a great opportunity to connect with your neighbors and other county residents. Well, every year we have about 30 different vendors that are there, including the Friends of the Animal Shelter, as well as Humane Society. The Fairfax County Police Department has their canine unit there doing demonstrations. We've got Pamper Pets, which has been in our community for a long time. We've got Pet Tech, which will be doing classes, teaching people on pet CPR, first aid, as well as doing health assessments. The county has their licensing folks who are there to register the animals, which is something that everybody should do. And additionally, we've got the doggy photos with the Easter Bunny. We have the mobile pet van, which will provide a real nail trimmings, which most of us know our animals need. And we have a traveling shepherd selling coffee and frosty softy ice drinks and other foods and vendors that are there.
We are also looking forward to seeing you at the Ides of Bark. We are going to have adoptable dogs there waiting to meet you, and also information about all of our wonderful programs and services that we offer right here at the Lorton campus.
So come on out to the Ides of Bark Dog Festival, March 24th from 1 to 4 o'clock at Grist Mill Park. It'll be a great time for you and your furry friend, and I would love to see you there as well. So come join me.